The OnePlus 6 could have another flagship killing feature. OnePlus 6 Super Slow Motion has leaked as killer feature that Samsung Galaxy S9, Huawei IP20 Pro and Sony Xperia XZ Premium have, but at a far higher price. The OnePlus 6 has had so many leaks it appears there's little left to know ahead of its now official launch date of May 16. Now the latest feature to appear on the rumor mill is super slow motion video. This means, despite the OnePlus price being expected to undercut its flagship rivals, it should have most, if not all, of their features. From super slow motion video and dual rear cameras to a glass back and high-resolution edge-to-edge screen complete with notch. This really could be the perfect flagship phone killer. The feature, dubbed Super Slow Mo, was spotted by Mobijaan on the official OnePlus India website before being quickly taken down. The image simply said, "Live life in Super Slow Mo," and under that, slow down time and experience the Super Slow Mo feature of the OnePlus 6. The super slow motion video feature is also found on the Samsung Galaxy S9, Huawei IP20 Pro and Sony Xperia XZ Premium, all of which offer a 960 frames per second mode. So expect OnePlus to offer that same 960 frame rate at the least. The OnePlus 6 camera should also impress for photography, if the rumored specs prove accurate. It should feature a dual rear camera with 16MP and 20MP sensors, making it one of the most powerful on a smartphone. Of course, how OnePlus utilizes that power for an end result remains to be seen. THS super fast processing teased by OnePlus should help offer this high-end video feature. The OnePlus will come with a zippy Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 CPU backed by up to 8 GB of RAM, making it, potentially, one of the fastest smartphones out there. The OnePlus 6 is rumored to be the most expensive phone yet from the company. Yet even that price, at around £500, will still heavily undercut the competition. The Samsung Galaxy S9 is £739 while the iPhone X is £999. So not only will the OnePlus 6 match the flagship phones for hardware, it should also be running its near-stock Android, which is actually a better experience for many than other more skinned Android handsets out there. OnePlus is expected to launch its OnePlus 6 at a sold-out event on May 16.